Hello, iJoy. Fuck it! First thing I want to say in this video is thank you guys so much for the support that we got on our pod video. It's fucking dope. As of right now, we're at right around 1,100 views. No, 11,000 views.
Which is just ridiculous.
Which is incredible.
Like, that, thank you so much.
Yeah. We gained like 60 subscribers. It's insane. I can't believe it. We've only been around for like a month and shit's already starting to pop, so we really appreciate that, guys. Yeah, it helps us out a lot.
And we're back with more coffee. Make this review taste good. Nate, what are we talking about today?
Well, we talking about this bad boy right here. It's pretty cool. Look at it. When I talk, you see all these fucking lights changing? Like, what? That's because this boy is voice controlled.
Talking about the Avenger, the iJoy Avenger.
Yeah.
The iJoy Avenger. It comes with a very nice tank. This is the kit. And boy, oh boy, are the flavors out of control. And that's just the start of it, Nate. This is a voice-activated box, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's
ridiculous. What does this world come to?
For real, like, do you really need a voice-activated vape?
I mean, alright. So this is the kind of vape where if you're vaping and you're listening to music and you're like, I want my vape to feel the music too. You go, hello, iJoy. Music time. And it just goes.
And this is also the vape where if you're going to a nice dinner, you just set it right in the middle of the table and be like, hello, iJoy. Romantic lights. And look at that. You got yourself some romantic lights.
Set your baby in the mood.
Yep, but like usual, we're going to go through our pros and cons list. That is, for this, if you just watched the Breeze video, this is going to have a lot more in it because there's just a lot more to this. It's a whole kit. There's 2 different things in it, and it's fucking voice controlled. So there's like tons of stuff to talk about with this bad boy.
Oh yeah. So first and foremost, the tank that it comes with is in the style of like what most smock tanks are of right now, around the TFV12 style. It does not have the little flip around joint to fill her up.
Nope, it's an unscrew.
Yeah, which has the usual run-of-the-mill problems. Sometimes if you tighten it down too much, you unscrew more than you bargained for.
You unscrew that fucking glass and you got juice everywhere.
Oh!
But
I mean, it
runs very well.
And the airflow is nice, and the way the drip tip feels in your mouth.
I love the drip tip. The drip tip's metal, which most of them are not metal nowadays. Yeah, they're usually like a Delvin, like a plastic type deal. Delrin. Oh, I said fucking Delvin. Fuck it. The metal's just pretty awesome. I don't know why I like it so much. Like, I probably shouldn't like putting something in my mouth that much, but I really fucking love putting this in my mouth.
It's a good suck.
So, it is a real good suck. I enjoy it. Like a suck. It's S-U-C-C. Suck.
So now, but the mod is where the real money is at, because you can throw any tank you want on there. I mean, they're interchangeable.
Yeah,
you
can buy the boy without the tank. It's, yeah.
But the mod
is what's special.
Really, what it boils down to is you have... Wait, I've just been, like, rubbing the mic with my foot.
No! I like to rub the mic.
The mod is really what is interesting about this setup. And it is like any standard mod. I mean, how many watts does it go to?
235, I think, or 225.
So, you know, it goes to a wattage that you'll never use, like most vapes, which is kind of nice. But what's really cool about it, and its claim to fame, are the lights and the voice activation, where you pretty much have...
It goes to 234 watts.
Oh,
no idea why. Right. No idea why they chose 234, but that's what it does.
Yeah, but I mean, it's got a pretty nice screen on it. It's bright and you can see it.
Oh, can you?
The biggest problem with it, though, is it looks the same on both sides. And sometimes you'll be trying to turn it on, like, why won't the boy turn on? But when you turn it around, you're like, oh, shit, it's on.
I mean, if you look at it, like, that is not a screen.
Looks like it could be a screen.
Why is it not a screen? I don't know. It could be cool. That could be really cool. The build quality on this is pretty interesting. It feels very durable and, like, very nice in your hand. But it, like, sometimes you feel shit moving around on it, which is weird. Like, this side that's not the button is, like, not fully in place. So, like, it clicks a little bit sometimes.
Oh, it's a rattle
so,
when you shake it?
Yeah, it's like... It's got a little rattle. The battery compartment is this thing, and sometimes when you flip this open, well, yeah, obviously you're gonna lose your batteries. But when you flip it open, sometimes it's like difficult to get it closed, and sometimes it's completely fine, which is weird. But I mean, you'll get it closed eventually every time. It's just a little bit of a pain in the ass sometimes. It can use 2700s or it can use 18650s with this little adapter here. I don't have any 2700s yet because my dumb ass went online and didn't look at the number that I was buying, and I bought two 21700s. So if anybody fucking needs some 21700s for a vape, hit me up and I'll send them to you. I don't like this sleeve. I put these batteries in here the other day, and I happened to like flip the blue thing. Like this little silicone case. It was inside, and this part like flipped over under the battery, and I could not get them out for the life of me. It took me forever to get the batteries out to charge them, but I got them out. It took a little bit of drive, a little bit of effort. You see her? Where'd she go? All right, we need to focus on the video. We're distracted by a cute, fucking hot girl, but
maybe she wants to suck on your babe.
We respect women.
I respect women.
That's why we're respecting her with our eyes right now.
Yeah, that's right. Respecting her with our eyes.
One last con here. Sometimes when and this is to be expected with the first of its kind. It's a voice-activated vape, the first of its kind. Sometimes when you're like, "Hello, iJoy," like right there, I just said, "Hello, iJoy," and it's not responding. So you kind of have to yell at it sometimes, like, "Hello, iJoy! Hello, iJoy." See, it's not even working right now. I don't know if it's on. Oh, yeah, it got it. It got it. And the voice commands, like, really are only good for, like, being, like, music light, romantic light, because there's buttons here to turn up and down the wattage, and if you use the voice activation, you can't do a specific wattage. You can't be like, I want this at 83.5 watts. You have to be like watt down, or power down or power up, and it just goes in 10 watt increments.
I feel like it should be presets almost, to the point where it's like, alright, iJoy, preset 1, and then it's 75 watts. Preset 2, 12 watts.
Yeah, that would be super cool, and hopefully, I don't know if this is even, I would assume that you can upgrade this, so hopefully in the future that we can upgrade the firmware and it will be a little better for that. Alright, now let's move on to pros.
Pros! Well,
the number one pro of this device is the fact that you can tell people that you have a voice-activated vape.
Yeah, I don't know if that's
I don't
pro.
know if you really want to. I don't know if you
like,
want to be that guy, but I fucking love being that guy right now.
I mean,
I walk up to a party and I'm like, "Hey guys, like, hold on, let me talk to my vape for a minute," and they're all like,
"Nice bicycle."
Whoa!
They're all like, I hate you even more.
Yeah,
now.
well, I mean, but they're like what they say is like, whoa. But I know they're thinking in their head like, this fucker, like, what the fuck? Who does this kid think he is? And I'm like, I'm a fucking vape boy.
Fucking vapors.
But yeah, that's a pro and a con. So yeah. Another pro. I really like the screen on this. It's really cool. It has this little animation running across it all the time. Looks like a heartbeat. You see it?
Oh, I see.
Yeah. And then it has a puff counter. Tells you what your ohmage on your coil is. It has in big letters your wattage, and then your voltage on there. And it's really cool with the way that it shows your battery, which I don't know if it's that accurate really, but it's a little picture of a car, in your battery life, or like how charged your batteries are, is the wheels. And so like when it starts running down, like the little sections of the wheels start to go away, which is kind of cool. I had no idea that was what that was at first. Like for at least like 4 days, I was just like, this motherfucker doesn't even show me what my battery life is, but it does. So now you know. If you didn't know,
if you don't know, now you know.
It was very, very reasonably priced. I bought it on 8vape.com. As far as I can tell, that's the best price you can get it on the internet.
Links down in the description.
Yep, $50 for the entire kit.
That's a steal for a vape you can talk to.
That's
give you the
cheaper than-
romantic mood lighting.
Yeah, if you're enthusiastic about vaping, you're gonna want this vape.
Yeah, and iJoy traditionally has always made pretty nice products. They're not as big of a name as Smock is, but you know, we've together have 8 years of vaping experience, and for all of that time, iJoy has definitely been.
iJoy's been there.
Making nice products.
I've had several iJoy products in my life, and they were all good. I didn't have any complaints about any of them.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to smash that like button.
Hit the subscribe shit.
And please drop us a comment. If you have any questions, we'll get back to you super fast. And please tell us what you want us to review, because we'll do the shit out of it for you.
Yep.
We like vapes, and we like to tell you about vapes. So.
We like buying vapes.
Yeah.
I like spending my money on vapes.
Yep. Well, hey, take care.
Thanks for watching, guys.